arrival of the first girl group, Pablo told us they were the future.
I believe that new girl will be making
Robin, the man who put in
Dali na ka-extension.
Eureka, who's leader and the main rapper of the group. So 7 girls, one name. Even weeks before the debut, they were
What's up? Iba-iba yung intro, di ba? Wala pa eh. Antayin nyo. So, ngayon, papanoorin namin yung Sonara Story. Episode 0, In Plain Sight.
By Casual Chop.
Yeah,
Favorite.
featuring our favorite
Boy.
boy group, SB19. Let's go. Can't wait.
true greatness begins in the quiet corners of hard.
Wait lang.
Documenter.
Let's go. Let's watch na.
Let's watch.
Mahirap mag-edit ng mahaba.
True greatness begins in the quiet corners of hard work.
Ganda!
Before the world
Sino
ever
to?
learns their name.
Sila yung mga pinakita lahat na yon?
Para siyang yung sa PBB.
Yeah, kamukha siya ni Charlie Fleming. Ganda, sila yon. Let's go.
For weeks, a mystery consumed the fan base.
What is Sonara's fandom name?
Sunrocks
Kat?
and Bashers will be called Mansion.
Arson?
When 1Z Entertainment announced the arrival of the first girl group, Pablo told us they were the future.
I believe that new girl will be making
Kilabutan ako!
Yan na naman si Pablo sa mga sinasabi niya Ayaw kay Jinx.
Nagkakatotoo.
18 knows.
Yeah, because Virgo, like me, I love you, Pablo. I knew it. That is you. Anyways, anong pinakita kanina? Nakalimutan ko tuloy.
waves talaga.
And we hope to see that kind of creative spirit in your new girl group.
Dapat lang,
But the future is always anchored somewhere in the past.
Woo! Nagpa-audition sila, yun yung unang pinost pala, pinakita. Audition ng girl group. So parang, syempre, hindi ko naramdaman before. Kasi nga, busy!
I kept looking for that hidden connection, but obsession makes you blind to
Tatang!
things. You look so hard
Si
for
Tatang
a secret
again?
that you forget to just look. They weren't hiding in the dark. They were standing right in front of us. Working, improving,
Wait lang,
watching.
hindi ko maano!
They weren't handed a
Woo! Oh my God! Nasa trailer na sila noon pa!
Feeling ko, sila?
Matagal na silang binubuo!
Or they're part of the dancers? Tapos binuo sila? Possible.
Nalalaman natin sa kwento.
Yes.
Let's go. My God! You're so smart! Eh, problema natin, rolling pa ba? Hindi ka nag-ano ulit.
legacy. They helped build it from the background.
Ano daw?
I need to keep it real with you guys for a second.
They
Ever
went
since
from-
Sonara's day,
From what?
They help build the legacy from the background.
Oh!
Oh. Backing dancer sila.
Oh my God! Tama ka, you're so galing.
debut, the pressure to drop a
Gawin
massive
naman ang backup dancer
documentary
ng
has
mga
been
to.
so intense. I always wanted to give you perfection, but the reality is there was practically zero information out there about their journey. It's been
Yeah!
impossible.
Exactly!
But don't worry, I didn't back down. I spent days hunting down every lead, piecing together what I could. The details were
Pinahirapan niyo si Casual Chat. Pablo, sinikret mo to. Bigla na lang magkaroon ng Sonara na hindi natin alam na parang binuuna nila noon pa. Pinaghandaan ng matagal. And then surprise para i-assassinate ang mga girl group ngayon. Na parang gulat kayo, hindi nyo na kami alam mo yun? Let's go mo yan ah.
very thin on paper. But the footage I found tells the real story, revealing the foundation of who these 7 girls were before the world knew their name. I'm gonna lift the band-aid and say that one member who particularly gave me trouble finding was Megumi K. Ishii. This is literally...
Ang ganda ng pangalan, parang pupuksain kayo talaga. Megumi. Ano daw? Megumi Kimi.
Kate Ishii.
Kate Ishii pala. Let's go!
All the footage I got on her. Because when I looked up her name, all I found were some Japanese celebrities. Anyway, she went viral after her J2X launch party dance battle because she went ballistic.
Halika dance
now.
battle.
Gumagalaw yun.
Who's up, girl? Ang galing! Binuo sila. Zero information. I mean, di mo walang trace na para bang alam mo yung sa mga pelikula na yung mga Weapon X, walang trace yung mga assassin. Ganun sila. We'll see.
And there's nothing less to expect because she debuted as Megumi, the main dancer, sub-vocalist, and sub-rapper of the group. At least according to this source I found.
Main dancer.
Fiction ba?
Sino to? Si Tatang uli?
Hindi.
Ba't ka mukha ni Tatang?
Parang nga.
Nagpanggap ng Pinoy si Tatang ha.
Nope, you are not watching the wrong video. This is indeed Tatang Robin,
Ha?
the man who put S.
Ha? Ha?
He's back?
Oh my God! Mamaya secret
Tatang is
na! Ano pa rin sila? Ng SB. Oh my God! Tatang Robin, you're so galing! Naiyak ako kanina.
18 together. And look, that's Janaya Michaela Zhao. Looking at the performance, you can tell that even 2 years ago, she already had that alluring visual paired with a strong foundation in singing and dancing.
Gen Z siya, no? Parang Gen Z yung vibe na.
Woo! Galing. Tawi-tawi. Tawi-tawi.
Let's go.
There's that certain
So siguro yung part na ano, yung mga pas-sweet, or sino ba sa doon? Hindi ko matandaan yung face.
Hindi ko pa makabisip
Yeah.
na kasi.
Pero from pinapakita dito, ano eh, baka siya yun. Kasi yun yung mga ginagawa niya noon. Or yan yung ano kasi nila genre.
elegance in her moves that is just so hard to explain. And
Yeah.
that gotta be one of the reasons why she was chosen to
But it's
debut
not Jenny,
as
no?
Ella, the main
Ella.
visual and
Main
lead vocalist
visual.
of the group.
Wow.
But wait, isn't that Fiona Dominique Pepino?
Wait!
Ah, ang bata niya doon.
Oo nga, no? Parang rise sa kabatas biglang lumaki. Wait lang, ano sabihin ng main visual?
Like, eto.
Ano yun,
Ito
guys? Help us.
She's almost unrecognizable in that hair. Man, her rebrand is insane. But you can
Rebrand?
easily observe that she already has that flair that makes her look very
Ah!
comfortable performing on
So
stage.
then yun!
right?
Okay na, hindi ka nakapagins.
The vocals were also already on point.
Wait lang, hindi pa ba? Naka-timer ba?
Yes.
Okay. Galing! Siya pala yun.
She would debut 2 years later as Dominique, the main
Oh my
vocalist.
Wow! The glow up!
Talking about vocals requires talking about this kid.
So, okay. Invite your fellow chingas and bakti.
Coming all the way from Pagbil.
Huh?
May
Fudge!
guy, tapos naging girl, tapos
Wait lang. Tsaka ang babata nila talaga. Grabe yung na-search ni Casual Jack.
Now Quezon, Raniela Nam Bakunawa. She is described as the funny girl of the group.
Ganda niya! Ang ganda niya! Oh!
It turns
Style!
out that she has already been doing it as a kid.
Uy, ano mo to? Lonet Marti. Di ba ito yung nasa
It's funny.
yung tide-tide ng mga bala? Di ba ito yung ano?
Ang tide-tide.
ano daw?
Tide-tide ng mga bala. Ano na? Tinide-tide.
Basketball team Glass Pilipinas. Agad. Nagulay.
Ano daw? Ang bata niya ah. Tsaka paano nahanapin ah?
Parang 7 years old ba siya yan?
So guys, dahil naka-extension, naroon ako good thing. Ikaw na lang wala. Ay!
Diyos ko! So, ang galing! Ang bata nila, tapos ngayon, tinan mo, grabe ang aangas. Nakakala mo, mga finesa. Hindi mo akalain na super funny niya. Ang galing. Galing, super galing. Oh!
At a very young age, she was already very active when it came to performing as a member of their local dance group called Zapire.
Wow, ang galing niya ah. Parang,
Galing. Ito siguro yung...
parang ang ano ng SB19, parang prayo nila is dancer ka. No?
Yeah, maybe.
Para lahat sila galing dun eh. Saka yung pinapakita ng mga passes puro dancer. Yung isa kanina,
Kung puro
dancer.
dancer.
Dance.
Pero ganda ng boss nila, no? Nabagay kasi yung mga song nila man, hindi naman biritan eh. Na parang, yung pusa ko nangangalmot to. Talaga pumesto siya para maano.
But who would have thought she would be known for her dancing because she would later debut as Nami, the main vocalist of the group. And let me just say that her last name Bakunawa has got to be one of the
Grabe, oh! Ang sexy, alluring.
coolest last names ever because it's a callback to a Filipino mythical dragon mentioned in Felipe's
Yeah!
While her name
Bakunawa.
Nami reminds me of Tsunami from their debut song. Now, I just realized that the members I talked about so far are on the softer side, so we could use a little bit of toughness.
Yung pinakilala kanina, yun yung mga medyo soft. Tama ba? Charot.
Yeah.
Let's go. Ito na ata yung mga maangas na... Parang alam mo yung sa ano, paglabas mo ng street, nakasandal, nag-yossi, naka-black. Ito na siguro yung mga gano'n. Oh!
Christine Rose Aragoncillo might appear tough in her performances, but she appears very far from that as a kid from Naga.
Wow! From Naga. Ito siguro yung suot ng ano, yung kortina. Sa ba yun? My God, galing nila. Galing, ang galing, ang galing. Alam mo, nakakapag-perform ang SB19, sobrang busy nila. Tapos nagbubuo pa pala sila ng girl group. Really?
Papahinga pa ba kayo?
Zamboanga Sibugay. She looks like a well-disciplined young woman who listens to her parents, and it shows as she graduated with high honors. But performing isn't new to her. She was also an active member of her school's dance group called
Dance ulit.
Hoppers.
Galing mo mag-observe, sa totoo lang. You're, good in observation. Observation! Ang galing ng mga dancer nga sila, hindi sila kinuha sa mga yung parang singing competition.
Yeah. Meron akong observation hack.
Ano yung hacking? Yung parang Ayun siya.
Nahanap ko pa yan, Jackie.
Kaya nga eh.
Though she appears to be on the low-key side, her potential was undeniable. She would then debut as Tin,
Ganda!
lead rapper and lead dancer
Tin!
of the group.
Ito yung parang Alodia Gios na piyaw.
Tin is Bisaya, so it makes sense to talk about another Bisaya.
Ganda! Charlie Fleming siya nun, no? Ang inaluan na parang shubi.
Representing Carcar Cebu is Alicia Therese Leopoldo.
Siya pala.
Researching about her made me realize that she is very similar to Tin, a traditional country kid who is family-oriented.
Ba't grabe naman yung glow up nila? Yung mga prom picture ng bata, tapos ngayon grabe. Sobrang gaganda, sobrang Latina. Anong nyo? Anong kape nyo sa umaga?
They do a lot of karaoke.
Anong kanta yan? Sino nga ba? Ano nga naman kanta yan? Kanino nga kanta yan, guys? Hindi na binanggit eh. Da-da-da-da-da.
Kaya Taylor Swift din.
Olivia Rodrigo. Ang Galing no, mas
And
pinili
her
nila yung
family
mga
even makes
dancers.
her dance in front of her relatives, which is a very Filipino thing.
Yeah. Gusto ako din. Dati. Diba? Alam mo ba,
Natural
dati
beauty.
may mga kapitbahay pa ako, pupunta lang sa amin, Vin, sayaw ka nga. Ako naman, si ganun-ganun naman ako.
Ako dati pinapakanta, tapos binibigyan ako ng 20. Legit, nung bata ako. Si Ate Sony yun, kapitbahay namin. Namimiss niya na nga daw kayo, pati yung kanta ko. Kasi sa bahay, sobrang ingay ko, alam niyo yan. Sobrang ingay ko, rinig na rinig hanggang labas kumakanta.
Talent pushed her family to support her by having her join beauty pageants. And she was even a dance floor champion.
Grabe
Look
naman
at her
to!
performing with other kids.
Sa'yo lahat yan?
You can easily tell that she's years ahead when it comes to talent.
Grabe! Ang talented ng babaeng to, parang pwede siyang gawing buong Sonara. Siya lang mag-isa.
She had no idea that all these things are going to lead to her debuting as Lay, the lead dancer and the lead rapper of the group.
Angas mo, te!
And the last one, but certainly not the least, Eureka Jasmine
Yan,
Lopez.
siya.
At a young age, she was already performing in public with her dance group called
Grabe yung vibes niya parang Wednesday.
Ano to?
Ano na yung what?
Dance group.
20th. And should I say that she already had what it takes?
Oh!
Her vocals and rapping skills.
King In, ang galing! Para silang SB19 na kinugot-hugot sa mga grupo,
Yeah.
pinagsama-sama na naman. Para na naman tayong nanonood ng Dream High.
Skills wasn't showcased here, but
Parang siya
the
bilis ng
overall aura
Blackpink.
is already given.
No, yung atake niya. La 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 la.
She isn't new to competitions either.
Hindi naka-play.
With the amount of footage I found, I can easily conclude that she has the most experience when it comes to performing, which led to her being chosen to debut as Eureka, the group's leader and the main rapper of the group. So 7 girls, one name. Even weeks before the debut, they were already making waves. From their Wakas at Simula appearance to their solidifying
Sila first
Aurora
appear.
Music Festival.
Perform sila like, parang tinulak sila ni Pablo. Perform niyo.
Hindi nila alam?
Hindi, ano siya, anong tawag din? Surprise? Debut? Oh, na-debut sila sa concert na SB19.
Ang galing!
Performance. Sonara's raw stage presence and fresh look made the casual viewers take a second look and say, hey, this group might be something special. And I think it has a lot to do with how well written their debuts are.
Tapos grabe yung debut nila. Para sila nag-perform na for 2 years, ganun kapulido. Sobrang galing.
Hikilamutan ako! Galing! Galing na SB19! Para mabuo nila itong Sonara. Pero bakit nga ba nandun si Tatang kanina?
By next week.
Yeah, ang galing.
Oh yes, you can see that Josue's name is here and all the 7 girls. But there is this one mysterious 8th girl. Just who is Gaya Ambaye? Very curious. A lot of casual fans think that the curiosity behind Wanzi's first ever girl group started at the WAS concert. But I humbly disagree because it all started way back when SB19 released the Saw trailer. A lot of us speculated that this girl had to be
Ano nga ba yung so? Ah! So, isimula at wakas! Tawi-tawi! Tawi-tawi!
a part of the new girl group, considering the symbolism behind Yapo from the tree scene. It turns out that
Ganda
this
mo?
girl
Sino ka dyan?
is Gaya herself. And she also wrote Tabi and appeared as a
Co-writer of Sonara. Tama ba?
Okay. Nice.
Dabi? Ah,
She
Tabi.
also wrote Tabi.
Ganda! Ang galing! Parang yung sa Encantadia, si Gaya, yung dapat magiging tagapagligtas. Wow, na-connect.
Major character in SB19's Saw trailer, why isn't she a member of Sonara? She can also be spotted in SB19's past videos. And of course, just as
Ganda niya! Where is she?
talented as the Seven Girls.
Baka solo yan.
Para siyang si...
Pa. Ah, si Sandaya.
Andaya. Ganda niya.
Tsaka grabe yung angas ng galaw niya, no? Ba't? Nasaan nga ba siya?
But why is she missing? Something just doesn't add up. I
Piling ka solo artist. Tabi-tabi. Nagbubulat yung pusa ko.
Para si J2X.
Sino yun?
Solo artist din yan.
timer ka, no?
Anong meron kay G2X?
I guess this is a mystery that your uncle still is unable to crack. If anything, this only made me even more excited about 1Z Entertainment's next major move. But do you know what I might have actually cracked? With the help of my friend Quicksilver, who tapped me on this detail, we might have just figured out the official fandom name of Sonara. Take note of the word might, okay? So the last time we saw this website was back in the dark times. If you know, you know. And as of the making of this video, if you search the trademarks under 1Z,
Ba't lagi lumalabas si Tatang?
Tapos sinabi pa na Dark Times, meron pa tayong hindi alam.
So si Sonara under na ni Tatang before? Ano daw? Hindi, alam namin pa natin kailangan panoorin. Ang hirap kasi mag-edit, Dai.
you will see Sonara related logos as expected. Come to think of it, these are all submitted back in March 2, 2026, which means if we visited this website earlier, we could have accurately predicted the name of the upcoming girl group way before the WAS concert, which is kind of wild, right? But that is not the point. The point is, we all know what SB19 did for their fandom name, 18.
Papaisip ako.
Alam mo to si, galing ni Pablo, para siyang, fan nga siya ni Taylor. So many Easter eggs sa bawat galaw. Kung Swiftie kayo, alam nyo yan. Ang daming Easter egg lagi sa mga kilos nila. So, pag nanood kayo ng music video, bantayan nyo anything na ginagawa nila kasi may mga Easter eggs silang ginagawa. I love you, Pablo.
You know what that is? They trademarked it. And if you scroll a little further down, you will see an unfamiliar name that might just be Sonara's official fandom name. A lot of suggestions were floating online, like Zone Rocks, Arsons, Adson,
Sino naman nag-isip doon?
and more. But this name is here. Furzons.
Persons?
Ano daw?
Persons.
Persons. Ano nangyayari?
In all honesty, guys, it sounds common, if
Tatawa
not
siya.
ordinary. But I can't deny that it actually kind of makes sense. Furzons, well, I can see it as Forzonara. And it doesn't help that we found this post in
Ang mga persons! Gets! Ang fan niya, mga persons. The persons. Ang mga persons. Galing. Bongga airtime. Kasi 18. Ngayon naman persons. Persons. Sonara.
It's directly mentioning the name. In quotations, mind you. Do these people know something we don't? What do you guys think? And I wouldn't ignore the other pending trademarks here, namely SPB, which is a playful way of saying SB, or short for Spirit Beasties. This one, though, is obviously related to SB19 because they already talked about this in the damn era.
Siguro yung pet ko, yung half body niya is polar bear.
Ganda na suot ni Stel.
Sa ano nila?
Nakita ko may nagsuot niya. Sa dam. Ano sila may parang laro? Ang cute naman ay Miss Digimons.
Tapos meron siyang dolphin na buntot. Meron siyang eyes na parang unicorn na form. Tapos umiilaw yung kami ng dagat sa gabi para magsilip yung light. Yung ngipin niya made of ice.
Ang cute mo, Stel!
Yun.
Love you!
Tinawag ko siya, come here. Yun. Like, cute pa rin yung sa dulo. Kasi friendly ang mga ice people.
Bilog, tapos
Ano to? Ba't may mga sarili silang spirit animal? Ganun?
Yeah.
Saan
Baka
yan?
gawin nilang merch.
Oh my God! Ang cute naman ng kay Stel. Ang cute lahat. Bibilin ko lahat. Bibilin ko lahat. Wala pa nga ni.
meron siyang ears na same sa ears ng pusa. Tapos meron siyang tail na mahaba, same sa lion, same sa lion na tail.
Oo nga.
Tapos wings na bat wing. Tapos cyclops, isa lang.
Kasi mahilig siya sa games yun si Joshua. Kaya gumawa sila. Tapos kaya ni...
Bugis onion sa tulo ng mukha niya, merong
Siyempre, ito ang pinaka-soft. Kaya ano siya, leaf.
tama na ganyan. Tapos meron siya maliit na katawan. Hindi siya kaya lumipad. Ang ginagawa niya, kaya niya mag-dig sa ilalim ng lupa.
Talino na mga to.
Mag-heal.
Laro ba to? Lalaroin ko to.
Kuko.
O crossbreed between
Ano yan? Kay Stel parang nasunog. Ay, Pablo. Nagkaroon ka pa yung pangalan. Ano yung kanya? Wolf,
wolf
syempre.
and cat. Yung boses niya sa wolf pa rin, yung
Oh.
malalim,
Kaya nga, a cried.
ano,
Ano,
pero
man
yung
who
bilis,
cried
yung
wolf.
liit, kasing liit ng cat. Tapos, lagi ko katabi matulog. Tapos gusto ko, since ano siya, crossbreed siya ng wolf, tsaka pusa, so meow. Meow! Yan.
dapat ang base niya, T-Rex. Kasi tingin mo naman yun.
Ano nangyayari? Ano ba itong mga, anong to? O ganda ng makeup niya, o para siyang kontrabida dyan. No? Parang really.
Sa
Galing.
vampire. Parang vampire.
Half T-Rex, then another half is unicorn. And then may power siya, katulad ko syempre na thunder. Kung may sound siya, mukha siya nakakatakot. Pero yung sound niya dapat. Yan lang.
Hindi naiintindihan. Ang cute nila!
And I think they're releasing a new line of merch. It's like their version of BTS's BT20.
Kailan nilalabas to? Utang na! Kailan nilalabas to? Yan pala, merch pala ng BTS itong nakikita kong ganyan. Kung mayroon nila SB19, oh my God! Bibili ko lahat yun. Ang galing nyo. Pag SB19 naiiyak ako, have a soft spot. Soft spot.
So, there's no mystery there. Also, there's no mystery about how good Sonara really is. They have already proven themselves multiple times in their performances, and I just can't wait to see how their greatness will unfold. So what did we learn from this video? For me, what started as a hunt for a timeline ended up revealing something far deeper. The authentic human heartbeat behind Sonara. They were just a bunch of girls with a dream. The mystery girl in the trailer now has an identity, but her true purpose in this grand design still lingers. And if you think those pending trademarks tell the whole story,
Yung mga nasa likod niya ba, meron ding ano yun? Ang galing, ang galing, ang galing. Ang mga Furzons. So, I think kami na ang mga Furzons din. Ang mga Furzons. Ang talino, ang bongga.
Official lang kailan nila gawin official?
Shell! Tabi-tabi! Tabi-tabi! Baliw. Nakabaliw ako sa galing ng mga Furzons.
think again. It might just be a brilliant distraction. A calculated smokescreen by Wan Z to draw our eyes away from the real masterpiece they're preparing in secret. What is the ultimate play? Only time will tell.
Oh my God! Nakakilabot! May pang-distract pa sila. Nakakilabot? Grabe yung utak. Sino nag-isip niyan? Nasaan ba yung tubo ko? Pablo, ikaw na naman ba? At talino mo. Pero ang utak. Tabi-tabi! Tabi-tabi!